Me out to London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say a word and I run through.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Elena Rose Ann here, and today I'm going to show you how to curl your hair, heatless curls, just by using socks. So make sure you stay tuned, and yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. Don't mind these flyaways, we're going to get rid of them. Alright guys, so I took a shower, wet my hair, I let it dry. You can use a hairdryer if you want to speed up the process. I let it air dry. I'd like the hair to be in the condition just after the shower. Not too damp, but just like, you know when you come out of the shower, your hair's really like fluffy. All you need is socks. So depending on how big and curly or tight you want the curls, that's how many socks you're gonna need. So if you want like smaller, tighter curls, I suggest you use more socks. But if you just want like them big bouncy curls, have like 4 minimum socks. Today I'm gonna go for 8, so like 4 on this side and 4 on this side, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I do it. Also, you're going to need rubber bands. Well, for me, I use rubber bands. You'll see why in a sec. But some of you, I don't feel like you need to use it, but with my hair I found out that I needed the rubber bands with it. And also you're going to need hair clips. So what I do first is I section off my hair. So I tie this bit. I start from the bottom up. I go from where my ear is and just section it off like so. Tie this bit up, and I can just put it on the other side like this. Grab a sock, any sock, doesn't need to be a specific one. Get the top of the sock, clip it like so, grab the hair and just twist around the sock. You'd want your curls going away from your face, so that's what I'm gonna do, what I'm doing right now. If you want it less bouncy and less curly, you can leave space like that when you're curling, when you're wrapping it around, but I like it to be bouncy and curly, so that's what I do. And then when I get to the end where I feel like I can't wrap around no more, I get the rubber band and I wrap it like this. Just like with my straw curls when I used the hairbands. Pull it through, bring this up, unclip this, and I'm holding this bit. Then here, you just tie a knot and pull. And that's your first one. It looks so weird right now. And you just do this all over your head. Alright guys, so this is a complete head. This just like reminds me of Medusa. I know a lot of you are going to ask like, how can I sleep with it on? It's so uncomfortable, blah blah blah. Like having it out like this, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes like it irritates my ears and stuff like that, and like you can't really sleep properly with it just like this. So I got like this hair bonnet, whatever you used to call it, and I literally put it on and I sleep with this. I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so this is the next day. I just put on some makeup and I am ready to take out these curls. So when I undo it, looks like everything stayed in place. I literally just used this just so that it doesn't go in my face, over my ears, and it's way more comfortable to sleep in. Let's start off by undoing it. Just unravel it, take out the rubber bands. I don't pull because it doesn't get out easier that way. So I just unravel it like so. And that's your first one. And then we literally do that all over the whole head, and I'll come back when that's done. Okay guys, so this are how the curls look when I haven't separated them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna literally run my fingers through my hair and obviously put it down, and then you can, like, you know, get into the nitty-gritties, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after. If you guys just like the curls like this, you can leave it, or you can separate it a bit. I like to separate it like a little bit, but not too much. Just like this. And same on this side, just run my fingers a little bit, separate it a bit. And here are your curls. And you can style it however you want to. Obviously my hair's a bit long, so you can't really see the bottom. So yeah guys, this is how I curl my hair with socks. Absolutely heatless. You don't need to use heat on these. I really do miss doing these curl tutorials, to be honest. So yeah guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you did try it out, let me know, send me some DMs, send me some videos. I'd want to see how it turned out for you. If there's any questions, put them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you in the next video guys.